Honorable Kennedy Japan. Hey, I said this week there, aside coronavirus, no, Kennedy Japan na warmer Ghana for year GG. And yes, apa and Ankadebia and somewhere yet to for coronavirus. No, maybe my emergency a main Kassan fan crabium because I say, O Kasa Efahuana as a wobo Ghana for and that may no say coronavirus, send ya aqua do no Ghana and Kwa Chese. Numbers no send your cost on easy. Anyway, let's not deviate. Yanko and Sembeso. Kennedy Japan, say, will be nim a cassa or no will be nim no. Or macho man be a sa macho man no. Or no will be nim this man say one black ember book Kennedy Japan. Macho man the beba. Naturally say, will be nim a one crowfoa. One man, sa macho man a boom. That is according to what Kennedy Japan say. Kennedy Japan say what did yama we who the identity of Sam Macho Man na oyobi a woton we e wo Community Cemetery what tema mo amunim Community Cemetery tema no munim say yes Community so there sa Community Cemetery no we fu a egu ho na enye easy wo katema baby atre say we for e camp pa amentrel Community 2 Mexico Community 2 na Agri Road. Community 5 some public school bi wo ho we for amota egu ho. Fabium Community Cemetery. And other places in Kennedy Japan e reveal said sa branch ya eye obi nim say wo be man abo Kennedy Japan no Kennedy Japan adege ama we hu a branch no. Now Miria Ghana nibi wo London frame and then send be etudwa and our car say yeni na no we need to look at that direction. Now we will have a discussion on that particular answer no. Now branch here we are ye kan ho asemi Kennedy Japan say wa ya ko hu ni din ye friend Emeka. Kennedy Japan say Emeka who say na so ayeshe no because I say o no Kennedy Japan wa ko report Emeka na ma IGP e ma wo mo hwehwe no. Ama Emeka yi wonam e na wo pacho na Emeka na kra wa frɛ wo no Kennedy Japan e pa ne chow se wo sre no obi nim na asem a wo kan ye no mo mfa ne se ya asem ne kra se obi nim ka se wo be ma no Emeka no abo Kennedy Japan but ono Emeka ne se wo sre Kennedy Japan because ohun ne said that Kennedy Japan is not a small fly. And let me tell you this mono eya na me be say tema o de ye obi a wonim tema sabi wo mo aye from killers no obi hu no say sa Emeka ya ye ka ne ho asem kra no killers e wo tema ho kra esen no tema inti yengo tie ensem a Kennedy Japan o kan revealing the identity of sa Emeka we na ye tie wi a asem a Ghana ni a wo UK wo frame e kan ye no nyansa sempa ye de no so ebetuja yengo timbra
they will go and twist it. Second Japan
twist and tense.
Wajai. Many will be in Bekon Pepe. I hear he's talking because words are yet to come.
Heavy
revelations are ebano. But from Monday to Ende, what I have done on the issue. Ende, from Monday and then I just don't talk. What I've done on the issue. When first. Abrantiana, what didn't be Gina was a make in Japan, where macho man. Now, Castle Mummy or Bebume, where Yalatani, your friend Emeka, Isaac, or Tom we, Ewo Community 9, Cemetery, any motorway. Emeka no, or Tom we, Ewo Community 9, Cemetery. So, or Sofumwa. One now see as a war macho man on Bokaya, Moncobono, Mabono. What the we for? One are the we in Mokotoana. I want to ask you a question. Are you aware of the nature of work he does?
No, dear question. I Kennedy Japan be signed, obviously. yen to me kasa will be nim and what the we know Emma and make a one tone yeah or no obviously because at least we know some people and I was some friends be were more enum we what I say but because we associate ourselves with them no it doesn't mean say ebia ye na ye de win Emma womo because Kennedy Japan say he has a lot of boys, he has bodyguards, he has land guards. Ebia na Kennedy Japan land guards ne krano ba kubi womo a washi untumi ncheme say esan say Kennedy Japan ne bodyguards and ne land guards no ba ku womo ase be wonum winti Kennedy Japan na di win man no. I mean if you say something like that ye ni aye them say sorry it is not logical. It is the last question there at least eno nkwa de wo bi ni betumi ni tire fi mu say da bi eno there enyo no ena wo di win no ema emeka now etiefo yankwa ensem na nkasa so in some way Kennedy Japan e dey atodwan Ghana ni say na medi ka trouble Ghana ni bi e wo UK what friend a very long call a woman and she really spoke well asema wo kan say adan na Ghana yete sa and I maybe say oh mama ya den and I say show look at the information Kennedy Japan is disseminating on social media. Share information at Kennedy Japan what they share go over social media. So you want to tell me say the security agencies are just sitting there aloof watching? Question I will be some no. And a Ghana for me mamoti say Ghana for Endra, Ghana for Frame. And some way by no Ghana for fry from the bini answer and same way be kakra na nkrofo frame sa na ma na da ase no ngofo fred da ba same way be boss no course a eba no enye bini na asema ya Ghana for bisa ne say if Kennedy Japan says he's fighting for Ghanaians aden na bia beku beduko bi de no wo patch on wo de ache no aden e na Kennedy Japan ni obi nya asem na ase ni ba ko no be patch up no de ache no enu hunti enam so ema nkrofo a wo mompe Kennedy Japan asem ekika wechi se Kennedy Japan de sa wodi hu sa na waba online abeka any investigation we ni betel no na to say investigation no etuetwa na yehu bebi asem no afa ena Ghana ni ne ka tell me say dabi that shouldn't be the question we should be asking me sure say wo kra no ubisa say eye wo ya say Kennedy Japan wo de ache beduko bi eye wo ya say Kennedy Japan wa yese asema Ghana ni ne ka no say dabi we shouldn't even be asking that question. Question I was say Yebisa say at least Kennedy Japan is not the law enforcer. He is an MP, honorable. Ghana Mremuno, MP no, he does the law. But your security agencies no enforcing law no. If Kennedy Japan aba bonten at the information be say aba betuja, you don't expect him to fully expose these people. As far as when they can cut back open on kwandie, and was said security agencies ni mum and they picking the story up. Now security agencies exposing Crawford way. No more chio butu na Ghana for you who say at least Kennedy Japan na ye juma. And I mean no say bedu ko bia asema Kennedy Japan sha say walk and then Kennedy Japan ma yati ase say o de ache bedu ko bi no. Asem no obi asema waka obi nso frame asema waka no since say asem no better than a foolish case. And this is Ghana better than a foolish case. But it shouldn't supposed to be so. If Kennedy Japan has come out to say something about someone, and some of the things obviously we review say some of the things are working on to the sources now when your information if you know it's not all that accurate. But yes, equally some of the things are working so accurate. You understand say obi nim dey say we will come to that. We betray pictures of obi nim bank account or the money laundering no. Okay. So Kennedy Japan the information be say aba bontia. Na kenim weni mu ho na nke wo say police for pa. Wo mo invite obi nim. Ba yetiman we mu and obi nim aba say maka mo say obi nim aba be patrol. Meye no breaking news na me dey abramo. Yetiman we mu and obi nim aba be patrol nti yemfa nche no na security agencies net na ho saa. Sabi last year me the story bramo. Abrantie bi a woko wi abode ne girlfriend nyimu woniska a woko wi abode Yachi abrante and yesi won't a fine of I think 600 cedis or said when ya uncle down fiase for 6 years. Sebi wo bia wo was 600 cedis. Nanka one farmer ne yen so won ko na ko be kwa ko wi abroad there. Enu hu nti sa 600 cedis nika wo nya. Emma yachi ne ko tu mu. Nkrofo bi say there. Ubonsa security agencies never sorry. And then they will enforce the laws on people like this. But one more and who here say one more enforce laws on them, one more enforce it. It will be who later na can in Japan mona say be ye boni dimbone say oh crampo expose ya we no eya enkwa nkodu aga enkodu hwe enwa intino unsu woka one more can be say oh can in Japan and they say ya I believe say asema Ghana ni no all can no eye ne kre. We shouldn't be asking. Na adia bakwa wakan ye me declare say we say abrocho no London. London ho udi boni a we di boni. Ye ni bibia say we kokate police me pa acho. Like untumi kra because e wo ho. Bagana ha say we di boni no kan me pa acho na bon say police ne kra relax. Ubo say police na relax. I believe sir, we should all do that. We should all do that. We shouldn't ask. Send your people friend Adam said they are disappointed in Canada, Japan. Yes. One no there need their warrior and say what the expose ni biaba. The security agency should continue. And that is the right way to go. Muncha ma your comment box ni mo. Me da say.